Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install this TY190 smart door lock from the IRONZON, and let's go. So this lock is very good. It comes with the user manual and some instructions on how to install the app. It comes with the small screwdriver. It comes with the box which has all the necessary items like a deadbolt and the strike plater and the screws. And then one major thing is the lock. Okay, as you can see here. So I will show you now how to install this. So now we are first going to install the deadbolt here. The deadbolt is like standard one, so it's either 60 mm or 70 mm. It depends on your door latch here, how big it is. In the from the inside, you can adjust it accordingly. So mine is 70 mm, so just slide this over here and it becomes 70 mm right now. Make sure this part have to face inside where you are opening the door from. So if it's inside, like my door is going here in this direction, so this part have to face me. So I will show you here. You just have to install it like this, and like this. So this part is facing inside so that door can lock. Okay, and now you have to open the screws and you have to use the two screws which are there. Now you have to tighten the screws, and this deadbolt is fixed right now. And now we are going to start putting the lock in here. So now we will take the main lock here, and there are four screws exactly. So two are small and two are big. It's according to the width of your door. My width is pretty thick, so I'm going to use the large ones here. So I will take these two here. So you just have to put it on the top of these two nuts like here, and just tighten them a little bit. And same with this one, and tighten it like this. And now this is the front one, so it will go on the outside. So you have to go outside and make sure it passes in between those. So before that, you also have to make sure you put this cylinder thing, which will remain them intact. So this wire has to go from this center thing. As you can see here, it went out of the center thing. This will be installed like this, and then this wire has to pass through this hole. It depends on what side you have. If you're on this side, you have to make it this side. If you're opening the door on this side outside, you have to make it this side. For right now, I am doing this side, and you have to install it like this. So right now it goes one screw, two screw, and the middle part and the wire. You have to take the back lock here. So the back lock, there's a small screw and the screwdriver will be inside this. You just have to open this screw. Sometimes it's very tight. Usually it will come out like this. It's a very small screw. Make sure it is in good condition here. And then it will have cells here. So you have to install the cells. So now we have to insert the cells in this, and it will go with like 4 AAA batteries. You just have to go like these. It's already written inside this which direction you want to install. It's pretty simple and straightforward here. So now our base is ready here, and now we're gonna install the last step, which is putting this wire inside this hole. So like this, and it will come from here, this end, and this will go like this. Now you have to place two screws which are inside the box into this small holes here. So you can install one of them like this. It has to match this thing. So like this one is installed, and then the second one, you can go inside this and like this, and you can just tighten the whole lock. So you just have to tighten this like this, and you have to tighten the other one as well. So now your lock is all installed. As you can see, we just have to connect the battery now. This is the final step here. So for the this battery, make sure this is marked with red thing, and you have to match the red thing on this wire as well. So it will go directly in from the red side here, and like this. So it's done. So now you see from the front as well. So if you see from the front, the lock is turned on, and I will show you how to set that up as well. Just for this thing now, you just have to place it carefully here, and you have to press it, and the small screw which we left, you have to insert it here like this, and you have to get the small screwdriver again which is inside the box, and you just have to tighten this, and your whole lock is set up right now. So as soon as you install this lock and install the battery and install the Tuya app, it will show you to add this lock, and this lock can be added. You can rename it as well. Like suppose I want to rename it as back door, and then finish and done. So this lock has been added. You can unlock it if you want, and you can also obtain dynamic passwords. Suppose someone is coming to your home, maybe a maintenance guy or repair guy, you can give them the dynamic password, and you don't have to give them like the original password for this, and you can create as many of them as you want. Also, this lock has one more thing. It will show you the unlocking records. Is it unlocked with fingerprint, password? How does it unlock? Want to lock and unlock it online as well? It can be done. So now it's unlocked. And if you want to lock it, it will be automatically locked. See, that's it. It's so simple. If you go to settings and click on password, you can add the password here as well. So you can make yourself a new password. And if you want a password manual management as well, you can add as many passwords. You want a temporary password, maybe a one time, periodic, or limited password, then you can also make that as well. For fingerprint, you can add the fingerprint here. You can basically you can add the fingerprint here, and you just have to put your thumb inside that and it will be done. So as you can see, this is my front door lock and this is my back door lock, and it is connected with the Bluetooth. So if you are in nearby, you can just open it from the phone. But it's a main thing. If you are not, nearby your house or it's not connected with the Bluetooth, suppose like this. So here, if you are not nearby and it's not connected to Bluetooth, you what you have to do is sometimes maybe a maintenance guy or someone came to your house and you want to give them access. You just click on this thing which is here, obtain dynamic password. So if you click on that, there will be a password which is generated automatically. It's a random number. So they will go here and it's 062886958, and they will go here and they will use this password like 062886958. Now it's opened, and that's how you can go inside and outside, and it will be automatically logged, as you can see. So this is very good lock. It's in the budget. It's like around 40 or 50 Canadian dollars. I will put the link in the description below as well. If you want to buy it from there, it will also give me some affiliate points as well. So that's all for today. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment box, and see you in the next one.